like crazy. I can't even, oh, there it is. Alright, what up guys? What up guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe. What's going on? What's going on, guys? I said, what's going on?
I see you, haters, away. I see you, haters, I'm getting away.
Nah, I'm chilling. It's hot as it is hot as balls out here, yo. It's like 97. Like, I'm like, right now I'm recording my intro for you guys, like what's going on, how you guys been doing. But I already been out riding today. I went out earlier and it was so freaking hot. I was like flustered and I forgot to, like, you know what I'm saying? I was like, forgot what I was doing. Like I forgot that I was making a video. Like, you know what I'm saying? It is, yo. Like right now, I'm going home. That's where I'm headed. So what I did today, guys, is I put an ND filter on the camera. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep the gleam down, the sun, the bright ass sun from shining in the camera. So, you know what I'm saying? I tried something a little different. I had some ND filters. I threw one on there to see how it looks. You guys let me know what you guys think about that. There's a lot of guys that use them, and I do notice that it does help the video. This video is going to be short because it's way too hot to be outside and riding with this helmet on. I don't even care if I had a half-face helmet. It is still too hot. And like, I got just like the sticky thing. Like I tell you guys, I got the sticky thing for to hold my camera, and my camera keeps sagging because it's way too hot. I got to use that moldable glue, that sugar stuff. I'm gonna use some of that on here to make it stay solid. But it was a nice day out. My girl was going to her mom's house, so I was like, let me go make a video. You know what I'm saying? I should be able to make a video. You know what I'm saying? We had a little get together, a little meet up to meet up with the one of you know what I'm saying? We lost another rider, so we all met out, had a little ride up to meet for him and stuff. Crazy out here, losing riders left and right. You know what I'm saying? Gotta check twice, switch lanes once. You know what I'm saying? Make sure, you know what I'm saying, cutting people off and stuff. That's crazy. I got cut off, like where I was just going just now. I got cut off. I wasn't recording because my sticky thing is sagging, so I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go where I'm going, and then on the way back I'm gonna record. And yeah, I was on a highway, and I'm behind of a car, and all of a sudden another car tried to take my lane, and like, yo, I'm like, beep beep beep, you know what I'm saying, like beep beep beep, like, what, yo, beep beep, nigga, beep, like, get up my lane. Yeah, so it's super hot out here, you know what I'm saying? I had a vest on earlier. Y'all might see earlier, some of the earlier video, I got a vest on. But I went home, you know what I'm saying? I had to go home because I was hot. I was super hot, and I was sweating balls. Like, my balls were sweating. I had swamp ass. My back was sweating. I was like, oh my God. So I went home. I'm like, I'm gonna go out again, but I'm not gonna wear the vest because it's way too hot. It's like, oh my God, yeah. Like, I'm like, I know some of you guys out there, you know what I'm saying, riding in this hot, like 102, 115. But I'm not used to this 97 degrees, yo. This is, you know what I'm saying? I like 75. That'd be nice. You know what I'm saying? I like hoodie weather. Hoodie weather is the best weather, you know what I'm saying? You throw a hoodie on and go riding. Only thing is like hoodie weather at night, because it gets colder at night. So if you ride in this hoodie weather during the day, when it gets night, you're like, dang, it's mad cold. But like, give me like 80 during the day, and then like 75, 60 maybe at night, you know what I'm saying? I'll take that all day. But this 97, And the thing is, like, it gets hotter. Like, you hit hot spots, and it's like woof, like right here, 97. Then you hit a hot spot, you're like, oh my god, it's like 115. And it's on the, especially on the highway. Like, I'm about to get back on the highway, and it's like, I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know. How do you guys deal with the heat? Y'all just ride it out? See, what I try to do is just go faster. I feel like if I go faster, I get more wind and it cool me off a little bit more. Yeah, I seen homie Juan. Y'all know y'all seen Juan? I seen Juan earlier when I went for that ride out. You know what I'm saying? And on the Honda Go Wing. He had the gray Honda Go Wing to join, like, you know, like 2019, something like that. It's nice. I like it, but not for me. It's big. It's just huge, but it's nice. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, a little tweak. See, if I was going to work, I'd be turning down there and going to work. But I ain't going to work today. Got 2 more days of maternity leave. Go back to work on Tuesday. It's supposed to be like 90 something on Tuesday too. And like, my job's always like 10-15 degrees hotter than it is outside. So actually, we're supposed to be going. I was gonna be going home right now, but I'm actually got to go grab some brewskis. You know what I'm saying? I can't be at home in the house, hot as heck outside, without no brewskis. Let me see what time it is. Up. It's 4 o'clock. My girl ain't called me yet, so I got plenty of time to get some brewskis. Go to the crib. She probably still won't be there. You know me, I'm gonna go to the crib and not even tell her I'm there. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna chill, relax in the AC. You know what I'm saying? See that heat? Got my camera sagging down a little bit, guys. So I don't know if it's a little crooked. My bad. It looks like it's a little crooked from here. It looks like it's a little crooked. Look like the camera's starting to sag. The heat and the weight of Mustang with the trailer. Got a little hot dog trailer. Oh, a little handicap trailer? Okay, I feel you. I feel you with that. Alright, guys. Camera's hanging like crazy. I can't even. Oh, there it is. Alright, guys. So what happened right there was the little slicky stuff came off on the camera, and the camera came off the helmet. So I'm gonna hop off right here, and we're gonna end this video right now. You know what I'm saying? I caught the camera, guys. I caught it. I got like the charger wire, there's a couple wires going to it, the microphone wire, so it probably wouldn't hit the ground, but I'm gonna pull it over and I'm gonna take it off and put it in the pocket and then put it in the front, because we ain't trying to lose the camera. You feel me? That's crazy. Alright, guys, so this is like the beginning of the video, but it's like the end of the video. But I'm gonna edit it so it's not the end of the video, so it's like the middle of the video. Alright. Oh, that shit wild, bro. That shit wild.